Indonesia will lift the ban on domestic travel during the Muslim holiday season of Eid Al-Fitr in early May, but the government demands those who plan to travel should receive a third booster shot.
The decision is to allow the annual exodus after the holy month of Ramadan. Is the latest in a series of measures aimed at easing COVID-19 restrictions and reviving Southeast Asia's largest economy. Indonesia banned the mass travel known locally as mudik in early 2020 as it scrambled to contain the spread of coronavirus along with the rest of the world. The government has banned the annual tradition for 2 years during the pandemic in 2021 and 2020. Indonesia's health ministry reports that more than 157 million Indonesians have been fully vaccinated as of today.
Today, almost 140,000 Indonesians have received their second dose of the coronavirus vaccine. Meanwhile, more than 68,000 have received their first dose. So far, Indonesia totally has registered over 195 million people who received the first dose. Indonesia has already planned the coronavirus vaccination for its 208 million people. This number is 27 million higher than the previous target of 181 million of its residents, after the government included teens aged 12 to 17 to also get vaccinated. The government also sets a vaccination target of 26 million children aged 6 to 12. China began its most extensive lockdown in 2 years to conduct mass testing and control a growing outbreak in Shanghai, China's financial capital and largest city with 26 million people.
Shanghai had managed its smaller past outbreaks with limited lockdowns of housing compounds and workplaces where the virus was spreading. The citywide lockdown that will be conducted in 2 phases. Shanghai's Pudong Financial District and nearby areas will be locked down from Monday to Friday as mass testing gets underway. Then in the second phase of the lockdown, the vast downtown area west of the Huangpu River that divides the city will start its own 5-day lockdown on Friday. Residents will be required to stay home and deliveries will be left at checkpoints to ensure there is no contact with the outside world. Offices and all businesses not considered essential will be closed and public transport suspended.